Hi, I'm Beth Dover, and you probably recognize me from Orange is the New Black. I play Linda Ferguson, or Linda from Purchasing. I'm a villain. I'm a terrible person. But in real life, I'm nice. So I'm going to decorate a cookie that looks like me. It's summertime. I did get a tan, so I'm going to go with this cookie. I have dark hair. Here we go. We're going to do this. This is what my hair looks like pre-flat iron, so this is good. So I would say that I have, on a scale of 1 to 10, probably like a 4.5 confidence level that this is gonna go well. What's good is this cookie has already been created for me, so now I just need to glue some stuff onto it. Maybe I'm up to like a 6 now. This could be a new career. We don't know. Season 7, you are going to see Piper out of prison, dealing with normal life outside of prison. You're gonna see my character really try to make Polycon go through the roof. She's a real jerk. My character. She's not a nice person. Not a nice person at all. She wants power. She wants to be the best at her job. So yeah, I think fans are going to be excited to see it. I think they'll feel some closure with some of the characters and maybe some, non-closure with others, because some of these people are still in prison. Just like life. Is that too depressing for cookie making, that some people will still just be in the prison? I don't have green eyes, but this doesn't matter because I'm going to put brown eyes on here. This is really weird. All right, mascara is important. This is very 1990s rave culture right here, so I might just add this. Working with the cast of Orange is amazing. I mean, it's been the best job I've ever had in terms of just the friendships that I've made and in terms of just how important the show's been. It really has been just a turning point both in my life and my career, so I'm super honored to be a part of the show. In season 4, I was never in the prison. Season 5, I was a fan just like everyone else, so I got to see, the cafeteria and all this stuff. Do I want this for my teeth? No, that seems, I do have an overbite. You know what? I'm gonna do it. Just embrace the fact that I have an overbite. Orange has been amazing. It's bittersweet because it's been such a great run. I feel very lucky that I got to be a part of it. This mouth is not ideal. I think I want to be cuter, so I'm switching my mouth to this mouth because this is not, nobody wants this. Oh, she's beautiful. She's gorgeous. Nose, is it nose time? What do I do with the nose? A banana? I feel like, am I the best at this? So far? So far I've been the best at making a cookie. What surprised me about this season is the characters do go in directions that you aren't expecting. Some go in directions that you do expect, but that's the beauty of Genji. No matter what, things take right turns and you never know. I never thought my character would become such a villain, and she just continues in that vein. I thought she would learn from her mistakes after season 5. I thought she'd try to make the prison a nicer place to be, but I was wrong. I was wrong. Oh my gosh, look at this. Come on. I feel like that's sort of perfection, right? I had a lip wax recently, but before there was this one little hair over here. I'm trying to keep it real for the audience members. Sometimes I have this one little hair. Eyebrows. Eyebrows are important. Eyebrows are key. Eyebrows make the face. Yeah, so in addition to Orange, I'm also on a show called Medical Police, which is a spin-off of Children's Hospital, which is a show I did for Adult Swim years ago. Comes out Netflix. Again, I'm a Netflix girl, apparently. Early next year, so you can look out for that. And Another Period came out on Hulu. So you can see Another Period if you want the first season that I was on Comedy Central. It's now out. I'm out there hustling. I'm an actor. This is what we do. We decorate cookies and we audition for things. In terms of if I feel comfortable in comedic roles or serious roles, I feel comfortable in both. I've been known to be a comedic actor. That's what I'm known as, so most people assume that that's what I do. But no, I was doing Shakespeare in theater school and things like that. But people would laugh at me when I cried, so I should have taken that as a hint that I should just go veer more toward comedy. What's great about Orange, though, is I get to do a little bit of both, which is awesome. So yeah, these are barrettes. Pretend they're barrettes. This is fantastic. Where are the glow sticks? Yeah, I think this came out pretty good. Kind of perfect, I think. So yeah, that's it for me. Orange is the New Black is out on Netflix right now. Go watch it if you can. And Medical Police comes out early next year, also for Netflix. Thanks for watching me decorate this raver cookie.